So today I'm going to discuss about the data pipeline of GCP. So today I'm going to cover up what is a data flow and how you can just make a data pipeline using a data flow with other services like BigQuery as well as a Google Cloud storage. So data flow is a like Apache PIM based data processing data processing tool which handles both the data like batch as well as streaming data. So what is a batch and streaming data? Let me just explain you. So in this image, I will explain you what is a batch versus a streaming process. So before going to data pipeline with the using of data flow, so you have to understand what is a batch and streaming data processing. So first of all, I'm going to discuss what is a batch data. So batch data is a data like when you process your data within a month, within a week, within a year, or within a interval time period. So this is called the batch process. I am providing an example like if your file coming in every week, if your file coming in every month, or if your file coming every 15 days, every 1 hours, or every 2 hours, like it is called a batch processing. So here you will see in this image like this is a source where file or data is coming every month, week, or batch data processing we are using for data process data process with the using of data flow, as well as we will just after that processing we will going to just push that data into the BigQuery with destination in this image. So this is a processed in the batch format is a data pipeline. So when I come into the streaming data, so streaming data, your file will be coming means in the continuous way. There is no interval for data coming. So it's coming like source. So from the source, like streaming data coming like sensor data, or you can just make any kind of messaging data. So the continuous data without interval is called the streaming data. Or with the using of the data flow, we can also handle the stream data processing in Google Cloud Platform. I hope you understood all the concept batch versus streaming processing. And I would like also request you if you are new in this video or new in this channel, please like, share, and subscribe and support us because of when you will just like, share, and subscribe, I will get a motivate and make more video as a technical way. So let me just go ahead and process all the things with the data flow. So I hope you have set up your all the account like GCP free account. If you haven't set up your GCP free account, please go and watch that video I already made in this channel. Please go and watch there, as well as how you can just set up your VS Code IDE as well as Python latest version. Also, I made that video in this channel. Please go and just set up this. After the setup, you will redirect with free account with this page like with this credited. So here, first of all, I am going to introduce what is IAM and how you can handle because IAM role is very important in this project because we are going to process our data using Python first pipeline. As I am showing you an example, like here you will see we will extract data from our local machine as well as load data into GCS bucket with the using of Python code. And the second step we will do extract data from GCS bucket and load data into the BigQuery table with the using of Cloud Data Flow batch processing. So first of all, I am going to discuss about batch processing. Then after that, I will discuss about data streaming processing. So this is for Apache Beam batch processing. So data flow based on the Apache Beam. So it's a batch processing and a real-time data processing tool. So in the GCP. So come let me just go with here. I will upload local folder to GCS bucket with the Python code. So this will need we need to access with our service account for do anything like whatever doing outside of GCP environment. So we need the service account to access all the services. So here you have to search IAM, and after searching you will redirect this page. So here you will find this email address I made with this demo account, nikhil tech@gmail.com. So this is this email is the owner of this account. So I provided means it's automatically provided the owner role, and this service account I have created, like this service account I have created and give and provided the owner role. I have already made the video of IAM, so it is very important to go with GCP any services. So please go and watch that video. So when you'll come or redirect this page, you will find out left side the service account. Here you have to click the service account, and after clicking it, you will redirect this page, and you have to just s- click on create service account. After creating service account create button, so you will redirect this page, and you have to mention your service account name, means whatever suitable name you have to just mention is. And after that your account description, you have to put what type of service you are going to use with this service account. And then there create and continue, you have to just click it. It will takes few minutes, and after that you have to give the permission. So I will suggest please give the permission of owner, otherwise editor, because owner will full control of your GCP, because this is your personal account. So you are the owner. If you are working any project or company will provide you GCP access, so they will provide you editor or something. Or means if you are want to access only the GCP some services like Google Cloud Storage, BigQuery and Dataflow, the company will provide only three of services. But currently this is your personal account, so you can just give yourself as a owner. So after providing the owner access, you can just create done. So I already in my case I already made it. So after the creating service account, you will find like this type of interface like GCP, like this GCP. This is like here you will see like whatever name I have put. So it is automatically created the service account, and there is no key in there. So let me just show you how you just create a key. So first of all, you have to just click on triple dots, and after you can just come with manage key. So after clicking a manage key, you will find out this type of interface in your GCP cloud. And now you have to just click on add key, create new key, and create. When you will just click on create button, so JSON secret key will directly download it into your local machine download folder. I am not downloading it, I am canceling it. Let me just go back just and create. I created this account, demo account, so I'll just delete it to understand you guys. Let me just delete it. So after creating the account, uh, like for me, this is I'm using demo account. So this is a key I have generated in my local machine. So you have to just enable your Google Cloud Storage, our first step. Let me just go with. So here I am redirected with Google Cloud Storage. Here you can just search is Google Cloud. You will directly directed to here as a Google Cloud Storage, and here you will find only there is no uh, nothing you will find out. So you have to just create bucket. So how will create bucket? Let me just go with. Here you will find overview. In the overview, after searching the Google Cloud storage, you will find this type of page, and here you will find create bucket. So you have to just go to create bucket. You have to find out the name, whatever suitable name you want to just put it. So I am putting like this name, and you need to continue, and don't select multi-region, always select region, because of when you will select particular region, so you will work the particular region with all the services. Because when you will just go here, you will select it, suppose here you will select it like US East one, and other services you will select like different reasons, so it will not be match and you will get an error in your Google Cloud storage or Google Cloud other services. So after this, you have to just continue, and by default, it will be chosen all the things. You have to create it. So after creating, you will be your GCP bucket show like this. So for my case, I already made it. Let me just open it. And after opening, you need to create one folder. So I already created the folder. Let me just show you how you can just create the folder. Create folder, and whatever name suitable you can just mention here. And I am just created already folder, and please ignore these files right now. I will explain later. So let me just go with one thing. Like now we need created our first step. Like we have created GCP bucket. We have created local for local to GCP bucket service account. Mean this process will do from local to GCP bucket. So we need service account with JSON key, and Python code works as a transformation. So here I am going to show you how it is work. Like I hope you install the all the things. So first of all, this is my folder. Like I'm going to show you. This is my folder where I'll put I I will just open this folder and make virtual. I made the virtual environment. So if you haven't watched that virtual environment video, how you can make it, please go there. I made the video how you can create the virtual environment, and as well as how you can make an active of this. So I created the virtual environment here, and I opened this folder into VS Code. And after that, with the using of this upload CSV to GCS Python transformation, after active I virtual environment, and let me just run this. Let me just delete this and run it again like fresh. So here you will see like our my virtual environment is active and current, and for your case you have to active before this running this script. And here I already installed packages with the using of pip Google Cloud, Google hyphen cloud hyphen pip install Google hyphen cloud hyphen storage pip install watchdog. Watchdog will continuously watching your current folder, like any file you will drop. Like let me just any file, any CSV file you will drop here, the watchdog is continuously watching. Here you will see it is watching continuously in my folder. Like if new file CSV file will drop here, so it will just upload into Google Cloud storage, because with the I using the JSON key. Like you have to make your a folder with any name, and please drop your JSON key here, as well as please active your virtual environment, as well as please make your script like this. I will provide entire code in this description, and please replace your this path folder path as well as GCP bucket as well as your destination folder, as well as here is a JSON key mentioned. Please replace this your JSON key, so it will be work very fine. So let me just drop one CSV file. So you know here is currently there is no CSV file. So I am going to do perform first step local folder Python code with GCP extract transform and load. So let me just show you. Let me just here is my file. I am just cut it this file and paste that folder. Like I will paste that folder. Here is a file pasted with this current time. So let me just check with GCS how it is happen. And before that, I will check Watchdog. Like Watchdog is already continuously watching the file dropping. So once I drop the file, if detect the new file has dropped, name of Indian sample data CSV, and it uploaded to the destination of GCS bucket like GCP D services under GCP BigQuery folder. So let me just check with the same directory. Here I am just going to refresh this page. After refreshing this page, you will find out like Indian sample data CSV is here. So what type of data this CSV has? So I made like data pipeline. So before that, I need to show what type of data here. So here I have taken 5,000 rows. You will find 5,000 rows with sample data with along with name, age, city, state, phone, and email. Let me just get. I need to just push that data into the BigQuery, and after that you can use in your data science as well as machine learning, data visualization, data scientist project. So this is a data pipeline. So let me just do this. So when I drop the file, already it's loaded with the Python script into the here. So with the using of Dataflow, I need to push the data into BigQuery. So here is a BigQuery interface you will find out. So let me just create means one table and one data set. So after searching means here BigQuery, you will redirect to this page. So let me just create one data set. So for data set, if you are new in BigQuery, so you have to just click in three dots and just create data set. Create data set, you have to just a data set, whatever data set you want to just put, please put here the name, and after select the reason. So already it's automatically detected we have used in our GCS bucket US Eastern South California. If you haven't selected this one, please select this. Means you have to match your reason while you were creating your GCS bucket. The same way you have to match this one. So after all setup, you have to just click on create a data set. I am canceling because I already made it. And once you will create the data set, now you will create a table. So let me just create a table. Here you will find three dots into the data set, and you will find the option of create table. So after creating the table, you will find now it is empty. So you have to just load your data, Google Cloud Storage. Click on Google Cloud Storage because we don't want to make our data table structure. So I want just load that data with the using of this, and I will find out the bucket name where I will load that data. Means you will redirect like this and click select. After clicking select, you will find out like this type of things. Now you need to just put your table name, what table name you want to just put it. Please select auto detect, and I'm putting the name of anything like sample BQ. Please make underscore in every table BQ, and you have to just put it auto detect, and it's done. So while you will just create a table, so it will be creating a table with that data, like this. I'm just showing you with that data like this, that data. So we need only the structure of that data like this, only the schema of that data. We don't want to data inside that because we are going to extract, transform, load, make data pipeline, and we will extract data from GCS bucket and load into BigQuery with the using of Dataflow. So here you will find out like this after doing this. So you need to query, and let me just show you. You need to query, and after that you need to truncate that table. You want only a structure of that data. So truncate table will perform only a structure of data, and it will remove all the data from your table. Only the structure is rest. So while you will running it. I'm just going to show how it is work. Like when I'll refresh it, you'll find log there is no data. We want data to extract from GCS, and currently schema is made. You can make your schema with manual way also. Means I don't want to manual task, so that's why I made like this. So here like this also do the same thing. So in my case, I made the table name is GCS Dataflow BQ and dataset is BigQuery data. So there is no data right now. So let me just go with how we can proceed our data flow, batch data flow. So now our GCS file into GCS, our CSV file into the GCS bucket, and with the cloud data flow, we will the processing our data with processing our data and pushing that data into the BigQuery. So let me just go with data flow. So how you'll find the data flow? So here you will find the main page of the data flow. Here you will search data flow. After clicking it, you will find this type of page. Like you will directly redirect it to this page. So this page, and after that you need to just click on jobs. So here you will find out create job from template, create job from builder. So we will go because of template. We are making a data pipeline means extract, transform, load, and with the using of CSV. So Google Cloud Platform will directly provide you a template. So with the using of template, you can make a data pipeline very easily. And with the using of custom, you can also go with create data builder. So currently I'm going with template. So let me just go in data flow template. So it is currently redirected data flow template. Here you find out any job name, and you have to find out your region, South California. Like here you have to find out the template. So here we will go for batch. So let me go for batch. Here you will find the batch. In above batch, you will find the stream data. So we are not going to make a stream data pipeline. So we are going to only the batch. And under batch, we will select our template. So our suitable template would be like text file to cloud storage to BQ. This is a template you have to use to make a data pipeline. Like it will extract your CSV file from GCS bucket and load into the BigQuery with the using of this data flow batch data processing. So you have to just select it, and when you will just select it, it will just show you this type of structure. And now you have to just give your CSV source of file. So here I'm going to just give a source of file, like it is ticked. And target you can just make a JSON file. So I'm going to show you how you can make a JSON file. So you need to upload this JSON file here, because without JSON file you cannot just define it. So how you can make a JSON file? So let me just go through. So JSON is BQ JSON is here. So this type of JSON file you have to just made. So here I mentioned the name of like BQ schema, name, ID, like this type of JSON you have to make. You can just follow this structure here they mention. Like you have to copy and paste that structure, and you have to rename it with this, like name, ID, whatever column you are using. So you have to make it along with their data type. After that, you have to save that file, whatever name you want to put it. So let me just cut it. and I will provide this JSON into description so you'll understand. So after that you need to select your JSON. So in my case, I will, so from here you have to just upload your JSON into Google Cloud Storage. So let me just go. So I made this JSON and upload that JSON with this here button. Here you can just upload the file from the local folder. So I already made JSON. I have shown you like this, and I uploaded here bq.json file. And after that bq.json file, I up I will just choose this one, this JSON file. Like, let me just choose it, bq.json, and select it. So after selecting this JSON, so you need to just select your BigQuery table. So already we made the BigQuery table like here, like already we made the BigQuery table here. So you have to just select it. Here we need to just put our data. So here is a temporary, it's asking for a temporary directory for BigQuery landing page. So let me just show you how it is work. Like, it's required like temporary directory of BigQuery. So it is asking you for JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? Let me just show you. So here is a UDF JavaScript I made. So here also you need to just upload your JavaScript. It is a sample JavaScript. This is a column currently I am using, which is my in CSV format. So this column you have to use it, and you will make JavaScript like this. I will provide this link and this code into the job description, this video description. So after this, you have to just redirected it, and here you have to just upload your JavaScript, udf.js JavaScript, and directly you will search udf.javascript from here. Like, directly you can just choose your folder where the JavaScript is it is. After that, you need to just share your temporary location, because let me just show you. Earlier we made the create a folder, so again you need to just create one another folder, temp folder, to create the name of temp, only temp. And I already created in my side like a temp. You need to just select that folder name here. Let me just select it. So it selected the temp folder, and now we have done. When you will just run the job, so it will start running all the jobs. And how it is look like, let me just show you. So it will look like it will give you the all configuration in the side, and it will start running. Let me just clone and run for you. Like, I have mentioned the job name, I have said select the reason, as well as I have selected that CSV file. From a star means you can just select all the CSVs. For target, like bq.json, and mention that BigQuery output table already selected. Here you will find out the temp folder, as well as need to find out also the temp folder in both the side. And here other parameter, you have to just mention that JS means JavaScript. Here here you are in optional, means earlier we have seen I have selected here the JavaScript, so don't do this temp. You need to select both the times in required parameter, as well as this temporary directory of BigQuery. And here you need to just, after uploading the udf.javascript, here you need to just select it. And after selecting, there is nothing you need to do, just create run job. So when you just create run job, means I already made the job. So you will find the job is running and processing his job. So when you will just enter it, so you will find this type of interface. Currently it is running it. Let me just wait it, and after that I'll show you how it is work, and we can get the data in this table because we mentioned this table. So currently we don't have any data in this table, and we have only the structure of this table. So after batch processing, it will just push that data into this destination. Let me just show you. So here you will see like this job is running step by step. You can just view the graphical view or test table also, like this. I am just going with graphical view with another manner, and it will just running all the configuration with all the configuration we have earlier made. So if you are facing any problem with the using of data flow batch processing data pipeline with the using of template, please comment below. I will reply your comment, and let just wait for this. It will be load. It will take 1-2 minutes to load this. It's running. Once run, I will show you. So now it will hardly take less than a 1 minute. Now you will able to see all the job has run. Whatever we have set it, like it inserted into the BigQuery table, whatever we have set up, and it run the JavaScript as well as it ran also that uh, BQ. So now you will find out this type of interface. Now like this pipeline works only one time. So if you want to again run, you have to make a clone for this. Again you want to run it, because when you are making the data time job data processing or job data pipeline, so it will run only the once. It is not the streaming data to continuously run. It has run, and it let me check with how it is inserted the data into the BigQuery. And here you'll find the option while it is running. It was running, so there is an option you can just stop that job, as well as you want to again run this job. So you want to make a clone for this. If you are getting any means error, you can make it a clone. And let me just go and check BigQuery has loaded or not. Here you'll find out like it is loaded with this time currently. This time currently it is loaded into the this table we mentioned. Like this is the current time we have just shown you this. Let me just show you here. You will find out this timing, the same timing. It was just run at 5 9 5 9 27 26. So it is just loaded data into the BigQuery successfully. And now you will just query in the data, and you can visualize and use data with your enterprise, your visualization, make data science projects or other useful things. You can just do it. If you understood all the things, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. As well as if you are facing any problem, so please comment into down. I will definitely revert that. I will definitely revert your comment, as well as all the Python script, as well as JavaScript, as well as JSON script. I will provide you. I will just provide you. Don't worry. Uh, Thank you so much.